Hi students, let's look at this question here, which was taken from the year 2019 A-level paper, H2 Math, paper 2, question 8. Let's see if we can do this proficiently. So you're given that Gary collects characters given away in the packet of breakfast cereal. There are 4 different characters: horse, rider, dog, and bird. Okay, and the colors are given here. And you're told that this is 56 items that he collected. So Gary puts all the items in the bag and chooses one item at random. Find the probability that the item is either a horse or a rider. Okay, just picking one random up. So horse or rider will mean that actually it doesn't just sum all this up. Just add everything. This is horse or rider, right? Either the color is insignificant now. We just need either a horse or a rider will do. So just add all these. You will realize that this is 23. So this is actually 23 over 56. Okay, that would be your answer for the first part. Let's look at the second part. As for the second part, you are told to find a probability, if you choose one, that it's either a dog or a bird, but the item is not white. Okay, so it's either a dog or a bird. Okay, that is not white, or dog or bird or intersect, not white. You can just say not white. Okay, so this is now the color is significant, so we need a dog. Dog is this whole thing here, dog and bird or bird, but we do not want it to be white. So what we're going to do is actually just going to erase off this. This is not what we want. The sample space that we're looking at is actually the requirement is just this. So add this up is 26, I believe. 7 plus 3 plus 1 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6, 26. So this is 26 over 56. Okay, this will be 13 over 18. 13 over 28, sorry. That's how we do this part here. Once it's done, we do look at the second part. Now, Gary now puts the item back in the bag and chooses 2 items at random. So there's no replacement. If likely no replacement, just pick 2 at random. Find the probability that both of the items are horses, but neither of the items is orange. Both of the items is horses, but neither of it is orange. So meaning to say, probability is a horse that is not orange. Okay, so this case here, what we have is actually we would just have a horse that is not orange, which is this one. Okay, so we have this in total with 8, right? So 8 choose 2 over 56 choose 2. Okay, you choose 2 out of it. So 8 choose 2 over 56 choose 2. That would be 56 choose 2, which is actually 1 over 55. Okay, or you could just use, because this is without replacement, we could use choose, but if not, you could use 8 over 56 times 7 over 55. Alright, because these are the same, so 8 of them. So that will give you the same answer, which is 1 over 55 as well. Alright. Let's look at the subsequent part. The subsequent part, you are told to find the probability that Gary's has the two items has exactly 1 dog and exactly 1 yellow. Okay. Now let's look at the diagram there. Exactly 1 dog would be here, so you need to choose 1 dog from here, and after which you need to choose 1 yellow from here to pair with the other dog. But the problem is this yellow dog here, because if you were to choose a yellow dog, right, it needs to pair with something else. So meaning to say, you choose a yellow dog, you can't put a dog here because, or other non-yellow dog, because this will be 2 dogs. Okay, but you need, or you can't even choose a yellow horse. This will not also be, so this not be part of it. What you need is actually this middle one is the the one that is causing a lot of trouble. Okay, but what we could do, simply put it, is if it's a non-yellow dog, we could one dog and any other yellow, right? Any other than the yellow dog. So I'm going to write that down. This would just be, you break down the cases, probability of non-yellow dog and dogs which are not yellow, non-yellow dogs and yellow color which is okay, I think let me rephrase that. It's a bit confusing to write this again. Let me rewrite it again. So you need to choose a dog which is not yellow, and choose a dog which is not yellow, and color which is not yellow. Okay, I hope this makes sense. Color which is not yellow, color which is yellow which is not a dog, dog which is not yellow, and choose a yellow which is not a dog. Okay, I hope you so basically I want to choose a dog which is not yellow in color and a yellow color which is not a dog. Okay, plus the probability, the other one will be a yellow dog and any other is this a card? Characters, any other characters which are not yellow and not dog. Okay, I hope try and make sense of this. So a yellow dog can couple with any other cards, provided that the other card can be a green horse or green rider, or white horse or white bird or orange bird. All right, as long as the yellow dog don't couple with a yellow horse, then it's fine. So these are the two cases which we want. Okay, a dog which is not yellow and yellow which is not a dog. Okay, so let's try and see. So a dog which is not yellow would be here. These are not yellow dogs. Okay, so you have 6, 1 plus 3. So let me now, there are 10 of them, 10 non-yellow dogs, and color which is not a color which is not yellow. So it will be here. This is 7. Okay, this will be 7. The yellow color which is not a dog, this is 7. So what I need is actually 10 choose 1 times 7 choose 1, and yellow dog there's only like yellow dog is here. This is 7 of them, so this is 7. Okay, any other characters which are not yellow dog would be here. Any other character which are not yellow and not a dog, okay, which is actually this side here. This is the one which is something we call this side. Maybe this is this side here, which is this side, and this side. Okay, so you add everything up, that would be 2 plus 6. So I just add them up. Okay, this would be 2 plus 4 plus 10 plus 9 plus 7, which is actually 32. Okay, this is 32 of them. Okay, so this case here, look at it, it's 7 choose 1 yellow dog times 32 choose 1, and total would be 56 choose 2. Okay, so this is your answer divided by 56 choose 2, which is actually 21 over 110. Okay, so this is this is how you do this question here proficiently. Let's look at the last part. So the last part is pretty interesting. Gary has 2 favorites among the 16 possible colors and character combinations. So in this case here, what we really need is actually any two. I'm not sure which are the two. It could be this X or this Y. So these are 16, right? These are 16 of it. 16 combinations, because it's 4 by 4. Okay, so that's pretty okay. Now he has got two favorites. We do not know which are the ones, so let this be one. The two favorite be X and Y. Okay, not sure which are the ones. Then after which you are told that out of this 56, the item is 1 over 77. So they ask you to write down all the possibility for Gary's two favorite color set / character combinations. Okay, good. So what I'm going to do is actually let the number of two favorites, number of characters, favorite characters, be X and Y. Okay, so the probability of choosing these two, right? Probably of choosing two of them would then be 1 over 77 out of the 56. 56. So this will just be X choose 1 times Y choose 1 over 56 choose 2, 1 over 77. All right, so let's see how we can do this. So basically, X choose 1 is X times Y choose 1 is Y. 56 choose times 56 choose 2. So 56 choose 2 divided by 7, this will be 20. So in other words, X times Y will be 20. Okay, so this will be X times Y will be equals to 20. So this is pretty okay. Once this is X and Y equals 20, we just need to list down all the possible value of X and Y. It could be 1 times 20 equals to 20. It could be 2 times 10 because it's 20. Could be 4 times 5 equals to 20. Yeah, that's all right. 1 times 2, 2 times 10. That's all. So we need to find whether there's two. So there's a 2 10 pair. Is there a possibility that we can have a 2 10 pair? There's no 10, so actually this is a 4 5. We need a 4 5 pair together. So just go and sort it out. You have got 4 5 here, so this is one pair here. You could also be 4 5 here. This is another pair. So 4 5 here, 4 5 here, and after which you can have 4 5 here and 4 5 here. Okay, what you're gonna do is actually, it looks very confusing, right? So what we're gonna do is if you want to make it easier, you realize you have 4 and 5. So I write down the 4 out first, which is orange bird. 4 for 4 will be orange bird, and orange bird and white horse, right? For the 5, we have got yellow bird and white rider. Yellow bird, white rider. Okay, so you have 4 and 5 here. So 4, 5, 5, great. So once this is done, what you do is actually just the possible combination will be orange bird, yellow bird, orange bird and white bird, white horse and yellow bird, and white horse and white rider. Okay, orange bird and yellow bird, orange bird, white rider. Okay, so all the possible combinations, write down all the possible two favorite combinations. So possibilities, hence would just be, these are all the possible permutations. So it's just orange bird and yellow bird. This is 1, out of which we have orange bird and white rider. Okay, white horse and yellow bird, and white horse and white rider. Okay, so that's how we do this proficiently. White horse and white rider, white horse and yellow bird. Yeah. Okay. So this is how we do this question proficiently. Is pretty interesting. But just remain calm. Okay. Yeah. Any question or comments, please let us know. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next question.